one of the roots of the equation x squared plus kx minus 6 equals 0 is 3, and k is a constant. So we want to know what's greater, quantity A or quantity B. Now you might look at this and say, oof, yikes. I vaguely remember quadratics from high school, but I don't remember exactly what I'm supposed to do with them. And that's okay, because here's the thing. You can get by on the GRE without knowing much about quadratics at all. The only thing that you do need to know here is the definition of this word. What is a root of an equation? Well, it's a value of x that makes this equation true. And they've told us that a value of x that makes this equation true, one of the roots of this equation, is 3. So we can just say, great, x equals 3. Let's see what happens, right? We'll plug in 3 for x. So let's do that. We got 3 squared plus k times 3, or 3k, minus 6 equals 0. And then I'll go ahead and simplify this a little bit. 3 squared is 9. So I got 9 plus 3k minus 6 equals 0. Subtract 6, so I got 3 plus 3k equals 0. And then I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. This is algebra, right? I'm doing the same thing to both sides. So I got 3k equals negative 3. And then I'll divide both sides by 3. Almost done here. And I find that k, would you look at that, equals negative 1. So it turns out that quantity A and quantity B are equal to each other, meaning that the answer here is C.